Welcome back to Creating Joy with my friends. This week I'm in Idaho with my daughter Amy and my daughter-in-law Kirsha, and we are going to show you how to make fabric fortune cookies that you can give to your special Valentine this year. So come along with us and see how to make them. The first thing you need is a bowl that's approximately 4 inches in diameter and a piece of paper, any kind you have, and you're just going to take it and trace it around. You're going to make your own little template. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead, we're going to cut this out. And here I have one that's already cut out. And then we're going to take some white felt. So over here, I have some white felt, and I took my template, put it down. I used marker, and I just used marker to go around it. So here you can see my little template right there. So when you are cutting it, you want to cut on the inside so none of the black is showing, okay? So you're gonna go right along the edge. However, what we're going to do, pick your fabric that you want to use as your complementary fabric. We have several different fabrics here, and we're going to take it, put it underneath, and in fact, what we're going to do is we're going to face it down, okay? And then we're going to take the fabric that you're going to cut out, put it right on the edge, just figure it out where it's at, and then you're going to pin it on. So now we're going to cut it along the inside of our little fortune cookie, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here I use some little gnome fabric, and I cut them out together. Okay, and now we're going to go to our sewing machine. So remember to set your stitch length to a 3 for going around the outside of your circles.
And now I'm just gonna trim it about a 1/4 inch. There we go. Now we're ready to take out the pin and continue on to the next step.
Once you've sewn it together, you're gonna fold it in quarters. So we're gonna fold it in half this way, and then we're gonna fold it into a 1/4. And then you can just kind of press really hard, and then you can see the crease right here, and you can mark it with a fabric pencil. You just don't want the ink to show, so you want to be careful with that. And then you're gonna start sewing from the edge where your circle thread is, and then go down that crease until you have about a 1/4 of an inch left on the bottom. So this part right here is not sewed, and this is the fold. So you want to make sure you stop before you get to the fold. Okay, so once you have finished sewing it in a circle and then sewed it in the half, what you're going to do is make sure that your fold is on top, and then take one side and put your fingers on top and inside, and then push it in to fold it. And then you want to make it so that it kind of goes over the center line, just like that. And then you can even pull it just a tad bit past that center line, and then kind of shape it so it's more in a circular shape. And then you do the same exact thing from the other side, peel it backwards, and then this one you can't shape as well, so just be careful with it. And then there you go, a little fortune cookie. All right, so you're gonna take one of your fortune cookies and unfold the side, and then you're gonna get a cute little fortune or just any sort of little Valentine's Day note for your someone special. This one's to my husband. So I'm just gonna kind of fold it a little bit and then stick it right in the crease of this side. And then just refold that other side back up. Make sure you just take a little bit of time to adjust it so it's kind of more hidden. You might sometimes have to twist it. And then there you go. Now it's a cute little fortune cookie inside. And then when you give it to your someone special,
they can just pull it out and see that they've got a cute little note.
Don't read it to us. What does it say?
This one's to her husband. It says, "You're my kind of cookie, sweet and irresistible."
Yep. So now all he has to do is open that and he'll have a lovely Valentine's Day.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Well, another way we can also do it is doing it backwards. Might make it look a little bit more like a fortune cookie. And then when they open the inside, then they'll be able to see the cute pattern on the inside there.
I was thinking of taking some of these little hearts and voila, look, a little heart inside. So you could stick little candies inside and then make them so they look nice afterwards. And for my son, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little treasure hunt. I'm going to put little clues inside of each one, and then he's going to find his little Valentine's Day basket. I'm going to have it hidden. So inside of each of these, there'll be a note to go to and find the next one and the next one, and then he'll find his basket. So here we have our finished fortune cookies that we made. We made several different kinds. We've got these ones that have little gnomes on them. And these have little Valentine hearts and little hearts. Thanks again for joining us this week for Creating Joy with our friends. We had such fun making fortune cookies, little fabric fortune cookies. So I hope you take the time this week that you can make some fabric fortune cookies for your loved ones and have a happy Valentine's Day from our family to yours.